Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add social links in Hostinger website builder. First, I will show you how to add them in the header section, like here, and also how to add them in the bottom of your website, called known as the footer. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, then log into your Hostinger account and click on websites. And next to the website that you want to add your social links on, click on this edit website button. Now this is my website in Hostinger website builder, and first I will show you how to add social links in the header section. First, let's pause this slideshow, or let's completely remove it. I don't need it. Okay, how to add slideshows? My bad. How to add social links in the header section? First, select the header like this, then click on Edit Header. A new header settings window pops up. Here, jump to the Elements tab, and next to Show Social Icons, enable this feature. And as you see, these social links are added just like this. Now, to customize those social links or social media links and design, click on Edit Social Icons. You will land on this page. Now you can add a new link, or let's see how to edit the current ones. Simply click on this wheel, click on, then select Edit. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Now you can add a new link, or let's see how to edit the current ones. Simply click on this wheel, click on, then select Edit, and then fill in your page name, for example. Click on Check. Now, if you don't use a social platform like LinkedIn, for example, you can delete it just like this. Let's delete those, just delink it in. A thing that I want you to know is that if when you add a new social platform, you don't have to add the social platform icon here, because the known social platforms are automatically have linked social icons. Okay, let's say that I want to add my YouTube channel link, for example, dotcom.builders. Just type in your social link like this, click on this check icon, and as you see, the social platform, in my case YouTube icon, is automatically added. Same thing here. Now let's see how to edit the icon size. You can make them bigger or and smaller using this slider. You can also pick the icon's color from here. Let's go with this. Let's keep it black. It is better. Now that you know how to add your social links in the header section, let's show you how to add the social links in the footer section or on the bottom of your website. Okay, here click on this plus icon and scroll down looking for social icons. Here, this is it. Drag and drop it like this, then place it where you want it to be. Click on edit social icons. Same thing here, you can add a new social link from here. You can delete ones from here. You can edit the icons color, icon size from here. Same thing for the color. I will go with uh, with white. For the layout, you can adjust the icons spacing like this. Display icons vertically. This is good. And you can add a slight animation like this. I will go with, or I will go with no animation. Don't forget to update your website after adding your new social links. Now that my website is updated, let's view my new social links. And this is how the social links appear on the header section. Now let's check how they look like on the footer. And here they are. If you click on it, you will land on Facebook. And this is how to add social links in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.